If you know any creator that has not gotten this camera or does not look forward to getting this camera, then is the person even a creator, right? I came across this camera for the first time a couple of months ago, and since then I fell in love. But then, as at that time, it was just a dream because how could I afford the camera when I was even in debt? I was trying to clear some of my debts. How could I possibly afford over $1,000 camera? But then I got it. Eventually, design made it possible. And in this video, whilst I am unboxing this camera, I'm going to share with you the backstory behind this camera, how I got to know this camera, how I got to love this camera, how I got to know that I need to get this camera, and how I could eventually afford to get this camera. And yeah, I'm sure you are going to definitely love the gist, right? Because it's going to be so fun. So whilst you enjoy watching the unboxing video, I'm sure you will also enjoy getting the gist behind this camera, right? I'm going to see you right there. All right, you're welcome once again. My name is Inioluwa, and I am a 21-year-old graphic designer. I am also a YouTuber, and I am so many things that might not be necessary in this video. Now, this video is also ASMR, and as much as possible, I want you to also enjoy the ASMR of this video, right? Now, this is a gist video. I want to gist you while you see me unbox the this camera. I got this camera for like over $1,000. I think currently the price is lesser, right? Plus one of the things that made mine quite expensive, right? Or made mine like almost exactly $1,000 is for that I also got insurance with mine. So this is insurance covered, right? So I paid for the insurance and all of that. But then how did I even get to fall in love with this camera, right? This was in, I think, around June of 2025. I was on YouTube. Now, I was off all of my social media platforms throughout June, so I was on a break. But then I was on YouTube, and so I came across this video from an amazing YouTuber that I watch. Her name is Steffi. I think her name is Steffi Vlogs or something. I can't exactly remember her name on YouTube now. But then she's a Nigerian YouTuber. I would say she's a small YouTuber, but with an amazing content. I think she has like about 5,000 subscribers or so. Anyways, I came across her content, and then I came across this particular video where she announced that she got a dream camera, right? So she said she finally got a dream camera after 3 years, right? And then I click on the video, then I watch the video because I actually enjoy her videos. Now, in that video, I figured that a dream camera was the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. By the way, what you are seeing on the screen right now is extra battery, right? That is the extra battery, the one I just dropped. Then this one that is currently in my hand right now is the older, right? So it's like you can use this to connect to a tripod, and then you can also plug this into like just like the older, right? More like the older um of the DJI, while that longer one just beside it is the battery, is the extra battery. Then this is the mic, right? This is the mic, the DJI mic. This is an amazing mic. This is the creator combo, by the way. That is why it does all of these things. If you buy only the DJI camera, all of these things will not, all of these accessories are not going to come with it. No, let's continue the gist. So I came across a video, I watched that video, and then prior to that time, I had watched a few videos about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. I'd come across the camera a couple of times, but then it was when I watched a video that I actually fell in love with the camera. Right, that was when I actually really loved the camera. That was when I started desiring the camera. Right, but then I was very broke. As at this time, I think I was even in debt. Right, so could I possibly afford over $1,000 camera? Right. So I desired it, but I knew that this was like a long time goal, right? There was no way I could get it as at that time, right? So I just dead in the idea. Up until August that I got a full-time job that a full-time design job that pays me 7 figures in era every month, right? And so when I got it, the camera was was not still in my mind because I had like other priorities. But then as at October, right, December, November rather, 2025, that was when I started realizing that okay, yes, I can afford to get this camera now. Plus it started becoming like a something that I began to see as an investment. And one thing that fuels my buying decision a lot of times is when I begin to see that thing as an investment, right? So I began to look at it that, okay, if I get this camera now, this is going to go a long way to help me show up more. Plus, I've always desired showing my face on camera, and even though I'd battled insecurity in that regard for a long time, but then last year I was able to conquer that insecurity during my 1 year break of all of my social media platforms, right? I even have like a second channel, right? You can just check the description box below for the link to the second channel. That was where I documented some of my journey, right? While I was on that break, right? So that was what I used to like build the confidence to show my face on camera. And now that I've been able to build that confidence, damn it, we need to show up well. And that was why I got the camera. And so the plan was that I'll be using it for vlogging and all of those amazing things, you know. Then that was what made me get the camera, and then I got the camera, right? Then how could I afford the camera? I was able to afford the camera. So yeah, this is the camera on the screen right now. So how did I afford the camera, or how was I able to afford the camera? Well, it was through design. Like I said, I've actually mentioned that while I was giving you the gist, which is that I got a full-time design job that pays me 7 figures. And so it was easy for me to just, save some of this money. And within like a month, I actually got the camera. Within like a month, 2 months, I was able to afford the camera and I bought the camera. Right? Last year, design changed my life. And then last year, I've been designing for like 5 years, right? February this year, 2026, makes it exactly 5 years that I've been designing. And yeah, I got my breakthrough in design last year, 2025. But then if you're interested in knowing in getting more gist about my design journey, then let me know in the comment section so that I can make it like a dedicated video about my design journey, about my design progress so far. And yeah, this is going to be the end of the unboxing. And I'm sure you enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And
So
now,
one thing I've learned over the past 1 year is
Guys, I can only go by
realizing
husband
that no
instinct.
matter
Oh
what
my
you
god.
do, a lot of people are still going to continue living their life, and so you just need to ensure that whatever you are doing, you are satisfied. Even though it's rubbish, I'm saying, but then, it doesn't really matter at this point because at the end of the day, it's not about what you say that counts. It's about what you mean.
What do you mean?